All right, getting ready to wrap up some little things on the Golden Hawk. This gasket was broken. Much rather use some nice, resilient, rubberized cork. So I'm gonna cut it out, I'm gonna punch it, and it'll be nice. What do you think of that?
That's fancy.
There we go. We made a gasket. Now we gotta make a little chingadera here for this. And then we will be ready to put this on it and done. We'll fire the car up and be done with it.
This one's done. In the bag.
Yeah.
As they say.
Ready to go. One show ready. We'll drive it in a little bit though, but we got to get the Avanti situated. Hey, look at that. We made a Chinggis. It's perfect. Shock. I love it when we make stuff. All right,
We're happy.
Once that's tightened up, we'll go put this on.
I think we're good.
Right. Everything went together smoothly. There was a slight battle on this boot here, but nothing that we couldn't defeat. All our hose clamps are tight. She has fuel. I've moved the throttle quite a bit, so you might be able to just light it by hitting the key. There might be enough fuel in it. There she is. And you can see our little flapper valve is doing its job too. Haha! Look at when we make things. Yeah, once it starts making a little boost. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, she's still cold-blooded. Let her get warmed up a bit and I'll try it. But it was working. Yeah, let her get some heat in her. Yeah. One down for the show.